Opening your garage door within your car? Easy with the HomeLink system.
Check it out.
The HomeLink system can enable you to operate up to 3 radio-controlled devices with the help of the interior mirror. To check compatibility between the car system and the original hand transmitter, go to the HomeLink website or contact your Porsche dealer. To program your garage door opener within the vehicle, make sure that after starting and pulling your Porsche up to your garage, the parking gear is active and the vehicle is positioned correctly. It is important that the vehicle has visual contact with the remote-controlled equipment and stays within the receiver range. For vehicles with an internal combustion engine, make sure that the ignition is turned on while the engine is turned off. Let's start with systems that use a remote control. You may want to change the battery of the remote control first, as inadequate battery voltage can cause faults in the signal transmission. In your PCM, tap on HomeLink. Choose the button you wish to program. The list represents the buttons on your mirror. Click on button 1 on the interior mirror. The PCM will then start the configuration process. Next step, take the garage door remote and point it at the interior mirror. Press and hold the transmit button and you will see the HomeLink icon flashing. Afterwards, you will again be able to continue in the PCM. If your garage door opener is a system without a changeable code, the profile has now been taught. In the case that you have a changeable code system, further synchronization is necessary. For this, hold and press the respective button on the interior mirror for around 3 seconds twice. If the garage door has not moved yet, you need to repeat the process. Sometimes it is enough to just resend the signal. However, if synchronization is still not possible at this point, get out of the car and to your garage. Most garage door openers have their own learn buttons. Push the learn button to activate the rolling code. Afterwards, you can get back to your Porsche. Tap to send signal. Once the garage door is moving, you will know that the programming has been successful. To finish the process, click on Yes, Continue. With the button now configured to your garage door, all you need to do is drive close to the garage within transmitter range and press the button on the interior mirror. If you want to manage learned buttons, go to the PCM and tap on HomeLink. You can then override the button with a new assignment or delete it. And that's it. Have fun parking your Porsche in your garage and see you in the next video.